Hi friends, today we're going on a super fun nature adventure. We're going to be learning about fruits and vegetables, the changing seasons and weather, and friendly farm animals. Let's get started. Let's start with some yummy fruits and crunchy veggies. Let's see how many you know. Strawberry, cherry, apple, lemon, peach, banana, grape, orange, watermelon, pineapple, melon, mango, pitaya, you may call it dragon fruit, kiwi fruit, pear, avocado, blueberry, and plum. Now let's move on to the vegetables. Tomato, potato, mushroom, pumpkin, garlic, leek, eggplant, onion, peas, turnip, cucumber, broccoli, cabbage, pepper, carrot, and corn. Fruits and veggies make us so strong and healthy. Which one is your favorite? I love watermelon and potato. Seasons and weather. Let's see what the sky has to show us. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Now the weather. Sunny, cloudy, stormy, partly sunny, windy, rainy, snowy, and foggy. Each season is special, just like you. Which season do you like the most? I like summer. Let's visit a farm and meet some friendly animals today. Dog, pig, turkey, hen, cat, chicken, cow, sheep, mouse, rabbit, rooster, horse, donkey, and duck. Farm animals help us in many different ways. Which one is your favorite farm friend? Wow, we learned so much about nature today. Yummy fruits and vegetables that keep us healthy, changing seasons and weather that make every day different, and friendly farm animals. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos like this. Bye! See you next time!